GardX Protect Cosmetic Maintenance Plan. Nothing ages a vehicle like the minor damage that accumulates with time on the road. GardX Cosmetic Maintenance Plan provides periodic maintenance inspections to your vehicle's bodywork, up to 4 times per year. You can book your vehicle in at the dealership for a full cosmetic inspection. And where needed, treatments will be carried out to repair minor chips, dents, scuffs and scratches. Drive away with peace of mind and keep your car in showroom condition with GardX. Ask your dealer today. Protect your pride and joy. Go with GardX. GardX protects tires and alloy wheel maintenance plan. Everyday motoring causes minor scuffs and debris marks to your alloys and damage to your tires, spoiling the look of your wheels, meaning you have to pay out for repair or replacement. GardX takes away this worry and inconvenience with our tyre and alloy wheel maintenance plan. You can book your maintenance inspection at the dealership up to 4 times per year. Our approved agents can provide treatments to your alloy wheels and repairs or replacements to tyres that have sustained damage, causing an air leak. Protect yourself from these unexpected expenses with GardX and drive away happy. Ask your dealer today. Protect your pride and joy. Go with GardX.